Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Thanks for stopping by. It has been far too long since our last video, and I have to apologize. I've been waiting on parts. It seems with this whole COVID slowdown and everything, getting parts takes a lot longer, and it took almost 6 weeks for me to get this part in. And it's a new carburetor. The original carburetor was just not working up to snuff. I'm not sure what's going on with it, but I've tried many different things and it just isn't working well. So I said, you know what, I'm going to go in there, get something new, get something that is updated, and we're going to try it out. So here's the bike running on the original carburetor, and you can see that this was done a while back because I expected this carb a lot earlier than I got it. But here's the bike running on the original carburetor with a 65 Pilot and a 122 main. So let's watch that. There's a little cough. Okay, so as you see, it does not run very well. I don't know exactly what problem it's having. I've torn it apart 3 times. I've rebuilt it. I've checked passages. I've boiled it out. Everything I can think of, and I'm just at my wit's end. And so I said, I'm going to go in there, and I'm going to get something that is state of the art and brand new. And let's see what I picked up. So. Well, there we have it. Old versus new. This is the old carburetor. This is the new smart carb. And this is a turbocharger offset reducer that just so happens to fit exactly this and this. This goes to the air box. This goes to the carburetor. Let's see. correct fit. Very nice. We still have to fix up the throttle cable here, but we'll do that and then we'll pop it on the motorcycle. On the bike here, in order to get this to fit, I had to take off the little rubber guides here. I sanded those off, cut them off, sanded them off so it's nice and smooth, and then it will meet up with the air box directly in the back. So let's pop it on and see if we can get this this MT250 to run on the new carb. Okay, as we see, we have the carburetor now fully installed. Everything looks good. We have good operation of the throttle. Nice snap. Can't see anything, but it snaps. Plenty of room here and under here. Everything looks nice. So I'm going to set you up in the camera tripod, and we're going to do a one take. We're going to go in there, try and start it, and see how it runs on this carburetor. And now it's going to start. Hold the choke.